Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Steam Remote Play is not working or how to fix Steam Remote Play is crashing. So here follow the steps. What you have to do, go to the Steam word on the top left, then go to settings, then click on interface tab and next to client beta participation. From the drop down select Steam Beta Update. You have to perform this operation on the PC that is streaming the game to other devices via remote play. Now you have to click on restart now. This will update the Steam. So let the Steam to update it. This will take some time, so please wait. Now once the update is completed, the Steam will restart automatically. And then you can check Steam Remote Play not working problem is fixed or not, or Steam Remote Play crashing problem is fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.